So now guys, welcome back. Before you go, I want you to subscribe to this my channel, to like and to share. Thank you very much. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our Euro USD. If you watch my previous video, you see I predicted that we'll be having a drop on our Euro. We'll be having a drop against our USD, that our USD will be going the previous week, and it actually did exactly what I predicted. Those of you, if you are following me, you should have understand what I said, that we are actually going to be falling on our Euro. Guess what? Again, this week we're probably going to be having a retracement, then a fall again, at least to this our area here, which is about 1.04, at least to that 1.04. If not possibly, we can even take out this our liquidity, this our lowest area here, this our liquidity area here. If not, if possible, we can take it, we can hit this our area here, but let's aim to take our products here. Now to better analyze, understand what I'm saying, we are going to use our dollar index. As you can see, if you watched my video previously, especially if you watch my video, how I predicted that our price will actually be going up, which is actually from Wednesday and Thursday. I predicted it, our price did. Even on Friday, I predicted that we will be having a drop before we continue going up, and we see our price actually went up. We had the drop, but not to where I expected. I was expecting our drop to about 1.15, but we had that drop at least 1573 but we did not have it. At least we're about 30 pips away from where I predicted we'll be having that drop. Guess what? We now had that bullish move upward on our USD index. Now, guess what? Now we've gotten to this our one key level here on this our USD index. We've gotten to this our key level here. We've gotten to this our key level here. Guess what we are going to be having next? We are going to be having a pullback. Then we will be having a bullish move. So when we are having this a pullback, which will be dropping on our USD index, definitely our euro will be pushing up. This is exactly what I said. There's every possibility to be having a push up, a bullish move. When our USD is falling, then our euro will be pushing, will be going up. Then we will now have that reversal movement whereby our euro will now fall, then our USD will now actually now go bullish. That's when our USD will now go bullish. That is exactly what I am predicting on our USD. So now on our USD, that's exactly what's analyzed on our daily time frame. Now we are going to see it on our 4-hour time frame, as our price can actually be, reacting to this our one key level here, area here. Let me highlight it for you better. As I'll highlight it for you better, as our price will be reacting to this our key level here. As you can see, where our price has once range around there, we can see here marked here as support area here, where our price has range. So definitely we'll be having this where our price will actually probably range here. Then we'll have this reversal move. Then we will actually now have the fall on our euro USD for this week. So that's exactly what our prediction is and what I'm planning to trade for this week. So please don't forget to subscribe to this my channel and like, to also share. Thank you.